My name is Anna Marie Breen. I am a psychiatric nurse practitioner at ViewPoint Center. I work with parents and their children to make medication changes. So I will prescribe, adjust, and reassess medication treatments. I have been a nurse practitioner for over 10 years and I love working with this age group. I'm able to give a lot of quality time with the students that I work with. Because we're with the community where the kids live, I can observe them, which is an invaluable tool, and just meet with them on the side as well. We call it an interdisciplinary team. We each have our own individual expertise. So we look at them from different angles and we combine all of those to formulate the best diagnosis and recommendations. If you're struggling with your child and you're really not finding that success, we're a great program. We're here because we want to be and we care. It feels more like a family or community where it's not just a complete sterile hospital where everyone's in their hospital gowns. Being able to see them interact in a more natural environment where they're around peers, seeing how they interact, that is a huge component to that diagnostic evaluation. We see a variety of kids. Many times they've been in and out of the hospital a few times for either suicidal ideation, self-harm, running away, substance abuse. They may have tried and failed some PHP, which is outpatient and inpatient therapies, and they're just not really finding success. We see some kids that come from wilderness programs or other residential treatment. I myself am a parent of teenagers. I do understand that this can be one of the most difficult decisions to make. I treat the kids just the way that I would want my own child to be treated. With that full assessment diagnostic picture, we're able to give those recommendations so that wherever they go, whether it's a residential treatment center or home or another place, they're more prepared for completing their therapeutic journey. When we see kids leaving in a much better place than where they arrived and getting to see them find success and getting all those success stories years later is really satisfying. We see kids that are graduating from high school and they have jobs, finally in the home with their parents, just really becoming good adults.